MusicBee versus MediaMonkey, which music player is better? Choosing the right music player can completely change how you enjoy and organize your music without frustration. We'll look at MusicBee and MediaMonkey to help you decide. MusicBee and MediaMonkey are two popular music players designed to manage large libraries and enhance listening experiences. The core difference lies in MusicBee's focus on customization and ease of use, while MediaMonkey emphasizes advanced management and automation features. MusicBee is a versatile music player known for its highly customizable interface and powerful audio playback. It supports a wide range of audio formats and integrates features like gapless playback, tagging, and auto playlists. MusicBee works by scanning your music folders and organizing files based on metadata, making it easy to browse and manage your collection. Its strengths include an intuitive user interface, extensive plugin support, and excellent sound quality options such as equalizers and DSP effects. MusicBee also offers seamless podcast and internet radio integration. However, while it is feature-rich, some advanced users might find its automation capabilities less robust compared to competitors. MusicBee is ideal for users who want a flexible, visually appealing player that balances ease of use with powerful customization, perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. MediaMonkey is a comprehensive music management tool designed for users with large collections and complex organizational needs. It scans and catalogs your music library, supports numerous audio formats, and offers advanced tagging, duplicate detection, and auto-tagging via online databases. MediaMonkey works by creating a detailed database of your music files, allowing for precise sorting and searching. Its strengths include powerful automation features such as auto playlists, smart filters, and syncing with mobile devices. MediaMonkey also supports CD ripping, audio conversion, and podcast management. However, its interface can feel more technical and less intuitive, which may pose a learning curve for some users. MediaMonkey is best suited for power users and collectors who require advanced library management and automation tools, especially those managing vast, diverse music libraries. Comparing MusicBee and MediaMonkey highlights a trade-off between customization and advanced management. MusicBee shines with its user-friendly, visually appealing interface and excellent playback features, making it great for users who value ease and audio quality. MediaMonkey excels in handling massive libraries with its robust automation, tagging, and syncing capabilities ideal for organized collectors. For example, if you want quick, customizable playback with easy playlist creation, MusicBee fits perfectly. But if you need powerful tools to manage thousands of tracks, detect duplicates, or automate tagging, MediaMonkey provides that depth. MusicBee's lighter system footprint contrasts with MediaMonkey's more resource-intensive but feature-dense approach. Both support plugins and additional features, so the choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or advanced library control. Choose MusicBee if you want an intuitive, customizable music player with excellent sound quality and easy library management without overwhelming complexity. MediaMonkey is the best choice for users managing extensive music collections who need powerful automation and tagging features. Both players deliver strong performance, so pick based on your library size and how much control you want over your music experience.